Alrighty, we're gonna be working on the Beamer here, putting in a new radio, and maybe hooking up the sub while we're at it. I gotta pull the car in case it rains because it's a little too far out. But basically, this is gonna come out, and we're gonna put the new stuff in. We'll see how that goes. But I basically want to put the battery on a tender. Well, it's got a new battery. Let's check it out and see what kind of plugs we got. So, we were working on CJ's car earlier, the Audi, come to find out he didn't need what he thought. So here is going to be the new radio. Here's the back, but this should give me Bluetooth and everything, and it should look pretty good in here. So we'll see. Sit down and take a look here. Whoa. So that should be going there, supposedly. It looks cool. I don't know how they hooked this up, but I do know that this, yep, see? That's easy enough to get out. So I don't know who installed this before. Okay. And here's where the fun begins. What do we got going on? We'll take this screw out. There we go. Alrighty, let's see if we got a professional install, or looks like pretty professional so far. There's the tab. Let's see what we got in here. So it looks like this whole assembly comes out. Alrighty, we finally got that out. Got ourselves in a little bit of a pickle, but we seem to be out of that now. So we're gonna see what we got going on here. So this was the original factory harness. So I guess the question is, do we undo this? This plug is supposed to come out somehow. Oh, there we go. Holy moly, look at that thing. And I assume we need this one. Sure. Yeah. So let's try it. Okay, that plugged in. Maybe this goes here. Sure. And then here. And what's this? Camera. So that's a CAN bus decoder. Is that supposed to plug in somewhere? I don't know. They didn't say. Doesn't go there, doesn't go there. Maybe here. Sure. Brake. Amp con. IR. No idea what that's about. Wow, that's fancy. It knows the door's open in the trunk? This thing's all in Chinese. Well, it's working. Let's see if it'll hook to my phone. So go connect. Check that out. Ha! Well, now we just got to figure out how to install it permanently. Alrighty. Now the question is, where does the microphone plug into? Oh, you know what? I wonder if that's what these additional stuff is. So I'd like to actually hook up my subwoofers. Looky there. Okay. So that's for a USB if I wanted it. Amp. Auxiliary in. And then what is this? Is this the mic? It is the mic. There we go. And then this will go in here. Check that shit out. That's pretty good. I'm not upset at this thing at all. I don't know what is this? Is this a GPS? It is. So I guess you mount this somewhere. But why would I need that if I got GPS on my phone? So we got everything. We got things for RCA, so that's cool. We can hook up a sub if we want to. And this is if I want a USB connection. I guess if you want to charge your phone, which I think I'm going to actually hook that up just in case. So that can go out. All this can go. Tell you what, I don't hate that. That's pretty fatty. So what we got to figure out now is how. So this is an old plug that can go. That's shit. That's trash. That's trash. That's trash. That's trash. What is your intentions, sirs? It goes right in them original holes. I'm gonna tell you what, eBay. I was a little hesitant at first, but I'm kind of digging this all of a sudden. So we'll do the back one here. That's right. Let's see. I mean, I ain't mad at that at all. Now we gotta see if we can actually line these holes up. That's gonna be interesting. All right, I think I might be able to get a screw in there. What a contraption this is. Well, here we go. Got it all done, all connected. It was a pain in the butt, to say the least. But she's in there, and we'll see if it works. Pretty cool features here. It's got my Android Auto. Got Google Maps. Let's see if it'll play. It's touch screen.
My dad never got to recording this part, but he did put a sub in the back. Open it for you. It's pretty strong.